Hello learners. Today we will learn a phonogram. A m a a m a. Words make the sound am. Words make the sound am. Let's practice words with am phonogram together. D, am, dem, d, am, dem, h, am, ham, h, am, ham, j, am, jam, j, am, jam, r, am, ram, r, am, ram, t, am, dam, t, am, dam, y, am, yam, y, am, yam. Bye bye. Thank you. Happy learning.